Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and today we're going to check out the April BoxyCharm by IPSY. If you are not familiar with BoxyCharm by IPSY, it is one of the many subscriptions available through IPSY, and it is the one that you get 5 full-size products in it, and it's going to be $30 a month. Yes, 5 full-size products. I had to check my notes. 5 full-size products, and it is $30 a month. You can also add a $15 beauty boost, which allows you I think a $40 minimum product that you can pick, or sometimes they pick for you. I forget. I did get that for a few months, but I canceled it. It just wasn't worth the extra. I felt like since it was half the cost of the box that gave me 5 full-size products, and I'm just getting 1 more full-size product, the math didn't math for me on that one. So I went ahead and stopped it, but I did get it for a few months. So this one, we're going to check and see what's inside the April box. Before we get into this box, if you haven't yet, I would love for you to hit subscribe and join my YouTube family. And if you do like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit notifications if you don't want to miss out on future uploads. And leave me some comments on what you like best of as we go through this box. All right, we do have our card. And they're still doing the QR code instead of actually giving you product information on here. So this is more of an advertising. It does give us our theme. It says spring into self-care. So this should have a lot of self-care products in here. With the IPSY BoxyCharm, you do get to pick 3 of your products, and IPSY picks 2 of your products. So sometimes IPSY just hits it out of the park with the picks that they have. Sometimes they're kind of duds. This time they were kind of in between. So I did get to pick out 3 of the products, and I'll leave in the corner below if it was an IPSY pick or a me pick, because I forgot. Can I remember by looking? I cannot remember by looking what I picked. But I just remembered. I was looking, I was like, why are there travel sizes in my full-size box? I forgot I did add-ons. These are actually $3.50 add-ons. I got a Blink Ultra Volume Tubing Mascara, and I also got a Ciate BB Cream, and this is just a tinted cream for days I don't want to wear foundation, but I do want a little bit of color. So I paid $3.50 each for these, so those were my add-ons. The first thing I'm going to show you is Pre-Show Glow, and this is Fenty Skin, and I think this is a powder. No, what is this? Okay, so this is a serum and a spongy thing. This says Pre-Show Glow Instant Retexturizing Treatment Reusable Applicator. So this is a resurfacing compound from Fenty Skin with a scrubby applicator to use for that. I'll leave in the corner here if this was a me pick, or I almost dropped it, a me pick or an IPSY pick, and also what the value of this one is. So that is one. Our next thing I'm going to show you, because I'm like, what in the heck happened to this? This came in the box like this. It looks like it's been stomped on. This is a Feel Probiotic Moisturizer, and it should have a little sealy at the end of it at least. It is. It's sealed, and it has a pokey thing at the end to unseal it. But this is an aluminum tube, which it's just going to be different than a plastic one, because if it does get squished, it's going to stay squished. So this is just the way it came. But this is a probiotic moisturizer, and it says it protects the skin, reduces fine lines, and increases skin elasticity. And this is a 1.6 fluid ounce container. So we have the Feel moisturizer again in the corner. I'll leave you the value for that one. So that's product 2. Product 3 is from Defiance Beauty by, I can't tell, Satin Coverage Bronzer. It's a bronzer, but I can't tell the name of who it's from. I'll have to look it up. But let's see what this one looks like. This is in the shade Goddess Glow. And to be honest, some of these things don't even sound familiar like picks I did, but I did do the picks last month, or at least I think on the 1st of this month is when you do them. So it's been a while. So I don't remember any of these things. I'm a little befuddled, but that's not saying a lot right now. Oh, and in case you're wondering, it's Easter Day that I'm filming this, so I'm wearing my Peeps shirt I got from Temu. So it's chilling with my peeps. So we're just chilling, opening this box up. All right, so we have this bronzer. It is in a matte plastic container. Oh, that's dark. Yeah, I don't think I can wear that color. I do wear a fairly dark bronzer, but this one's a little more yellow toned. The one I use is more cool toned. So this probably is not going to be one I'm going to use, but it is a really pretty one, and it's a good size. This has 25 grams of product in it, and this is Satin Sovereign Bronzer from this brand, and again, from Nishami, I think it says on the back, but not in the fancy lettering. So this one says, I believe this is Radiant Defiance Beauty by Nishami. So I will verify that and put in the corner. But again, value I'll put in the corner as well. It's a brand I've never heard of, so I kind of wish it was a shade I could use, but it's not. My next one is Gold Fatten MD, and this is the Energetic Eye Cream. This one I do remember. I think this was one of my picks. All right, so the Gold Fatten Eye Cream is one I picked, and this is a full-size product. I will put in, again, the corner how much it is worth, and this is a Plant Profusion Energetic Eye Cream, and this is 15 ml product, but an eye cream, that's a lot for an eye cream as far as the amount of product. You don't use much at all. I just use a tiny little dot under my eyes and I'm done. So that is our 4 of 5 product. Our last one is Paul Mitchell, and this is Bond RX treatment, and this is 150 ml size from Paul Mitchell, and this says this is a deeply nourishing and protectant treatment. So this is going to be a hair treatment, Paul Mitchell, always a good thing from Paul Mitchell. I think I finished up the last Paul Mitchell, whatever it was I got, and I really enjoyed it. So I will put the value for this one here in the corner. I don't think this one carries a real hefty price tag, but I will put it in the corner and show you guys what it would be worth if we had paid retail for that one, and also our running total for our box as a whole and how much it's worth. So in this box, we did get our 5 full-size products. We got Fenty, we got Feel, we got Paul Mitchell, we got Gold Fatten, and we got Nishami. I had to look it up again. Bronzer. So we got, what is it? 1 makeup product and the rest are skincare. That's really good. A lot of people, I feel like I started off getting subscription boxes because I wanted to build up my makeup collection. And once you get to a certain point, you have enough makeup, but you always want to try new skincare and different things. So I'm not going to turn down makeup. I love me some new makeup. But maybe it's just because of my age now, but I'm really focused on skincare and making sure I do the best I can for my skin. I did not spend my early years taking care of my skin, so I'm trying to make up for it now. So we also don't forget, we did get our 2 add-ons for $3.50 each for this box. So that was our IPSY BoxyCharm for the month of April. Let me know what you think. What were your favorite products? What did you pick that I did not pick that maybe I should have picked? I would love to know. I love to hear from you guys when you do leave me some comments and let me know the differences of what you got. And even if you have comments or experiences with the products that I got, please let me know. It helps me a lot to know how they work, if they work, all that good fun stuff. So keep me informed. I appreciate it. For now, I want to thank you so much for joining me on Beth and Boxes, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.